Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the touchpad keeps getting disabled automatically in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, if it is a hardware issue, then that is a different thing, but in 90% of the cases, it is not. So, the first approach should be to update the touchpad drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Now, expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click the first one and update it. Right click on the second one and update it. Done. The next one is a clean boot. And how would you perform a clean boot? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply OK, and then restart your computer. And finally, an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.